How to getting unwanted friend requests on Facebook and want to control who can actually send you requests? This quick tutorial will help you fix it in just a few steps. First, open Facebook app and go to your profile settings. And then the three-line menu on the top left corner, tap on it. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, look for the Audience and Visibility section and tap on How People Find and Contact You. Here, you'll see an option called Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Tap on it and you'll get two options, Everyone or Friends of Friends. Just select Friends of Friends to reduce random requests. Then save on it. That's it. Facebook doesn't provide an option to completely remove the Add Friend button, but you can limit who can send you requests using this setting. Now updated for better privacy and control. Make sure to save the changes and check your profile once. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips like this.